Welcome back to the Redneck Workshop. I'm Greg. Got a couple more boxes in yesterday. I got some more of the BUllRing clips. The 4035 and 4025 BUllRing. And I'm trying to figure out what the real difference is. Okay, it's got an offset here to here. So the 4035 goes to the front of the bed and these go to the rear of the bed. So I don't know if you can see that. The difference is on this side right here. So this goes to the front of the bed. At least that's the way they've got it set up. Really like this product. Well made, stainless steel. And what's really neat, again, is the fact that when you pull it up, it stays up. You don't have to chase it around. And everything's stainless steel, brass inserts. Shout out to BUllRing. No, I'm not sponsored by anybody, but love to be, but I'm not. Like these products quite a bit. We'll have another video of installing them. Now on another topic, learned a lot about washing vehicles and what I've been doing wrong all these years. And one of the big things everybody says you need to have is one of these soap cannons. Hooks onto the pressure washer, and you put your soap and some water in here. And it does have the markings on here from 100 milliliters or 5 fluid ounces to 30 fluid ounces, so you can get your mix ratio. Adjustment knob for more or less. An extra O-ring. Some pipe tape. Fancy little mitt. And I guess this little plastic hose. There's a barb fitting in there, so it goes on there, and then that comes down, and that's your siphon. Looked at a lot of them. They're everywhere from $100 to $20, about 17 bucks on Amazon, and really can't see a whole lot of difference in from the $100 one to the $16 one. For 20 bucks, you got a nice little microfiber washing mitt thing, and this delivered. Saw several reviews on this, kind of liked it, so I thought I'd give it a shot. We'll do some video of using that later on and let you know what I think about it. We got a lot of things to do on the truck. We've got some parts here in Evaporust. Cleaning them up off the old truck. And we're going to put the overload springs on the new truck and do a lot on that here coming up in the next few days. We'll get a lot of video out for that for you so that you can see what's going on. That's going to be it for right now. Y'all be safe, get out in the shop, and make something. Okay, now that we're out at the truck, it's 2018 Ford F250 Super Duty. One kit 4025 BUllRing. These go to the back of the bed, and the kit 4035 is offset for the front of the bed. And let's see, do not over tighten screws, hand tighten only with a Phillips screwdriver. So the way you do this, come in here with the Phillips head screwdriver and you remove the 2 Phillips screws. Like so. Pull them out, set them down. Now that allows the old assembly to come down, and then we're going to rock it in and then put it down, pull up on the ring, and then we'll reinstall the 2 Phillips screws and tighten them down. I'm going to put the BUllRing to the back, so that would be how I'm going to do it. The 2 things you're going to need, of course, are a Phillips screwdriver and a small flathead to prop the little caps off, or however you want to pull them off. You start prying that up and out, and then this simply comes down and around, and then comes up and holds like that. Put that in like that, and then we simply start the screws. And make sure you start them both before you go tightening up on things, so that you get everything lined up properly. Make sure that everything's in there correct. And then in an alternating manner, tighten them up. Good and tight. Now it's in the lock position, put it down, you give it a good whop, pull it back up, it clicks and it comes up. Very neat, very clean. 1,000-pound holding capacity according to the manual, but I like it. Not a lot of rattle, makes a nice clean flush look, and gives you a place to lock things down. Now we'll move to the back one. This is the 4025. Exact same thing, pull it till it clicks, pull the 2 screws out so that you're ready for installation. And again, it's just a matter of popping that little guy out. And again, I put the BUllRing towards the back of the truck because I just think that's the way it should be. And you go from the outside, tuck it in like this. For some reason it doesn't want to go the other way. Make sure that little lip inside there goes up underneath the lip inside the truck. Reason is giving us a little bit of a problem. Going on here, so I don't know if you'll be able to see that, but there's 2 little tabs down inside here that are a little bit pulled out, and it's now allowing that lip to catch up underneath that thing, so we're probably going to have to do a little modification. So let's just go to the other side and install this over there. When it goes in correctly, as you see, it pops right in, and the screws go in with no issue. And again, you get them snug, alternate from side to side so that you get a nice even pull up, and it's locked in and a nice clean look. We'll go back up here to the front side on this one and do the exact same thing again. Get the offset one, remove the screws, make sure it's pulled up, BUllRing to the back, on the outside in, and once it fits down nice and flush, you can start the screws. Once again, remember, alternate from side to side so you get a nice and even pull. And again, simple use, 1,000 pounds rated, nice, smooth, clean installation. Again, the company's name is BUllRing. I love it because of the symbol in here. So I am proud to support that company. I like their product. Good job. And if you have any questions, leave me a comment down below in the comment section. I'll be doing my best to answer them. I got mine through Amazon. Best price I could find. Quick shipping. Had them here in less than 2 days. Like the product. My old truck had the rings that stuck up here, so you always had something hitting on the rails. Whereas this is a nice, clean installation. We'll get back to you with the next project on the truck, and once again, get out in the shop, make something. Enjoy your life. Have a great day.